I was missing. I was missing. What did you play? Flute. Was there the flitter then? Aye.
You know that house there?
The horse here.
The horse full of beer on. 2 or 3 barrels of beer on.
Yeah, the country one.
No.
That Wednesday.
Further down the town, not far away.
Maybe how you done it? Well, across the road.
Doherty's it was then.
Doherty's. What the Doherty's?
That's right.
Walter Doherty and Joe Doherty. Will this be some of the Doherty's here?
Alex Turish, I think.
Eh?
That's by holding the horse.
Alex Turish. Good. How did you get them inside?
Alex Turish, Joe Shaughnessy is the next man.
Oh,
Granny Doherty's for the wee year load, the next one. Aunt Lena Doherty. And Willie the horse.
Jesus, no.
No, them boys on the trap is Joe Doherty and Mary Ann Doherty and James Doherty.
They were all born with it.
That's right.
They were driving. Like long range, driving. Sidecar. That's a sidecar.
Used to go to Pettigo.
Over
that sidecar.
Wild horsey man. That's Roger's people, you know.
That's right. Stephen McBride.
God, he was cool with us.
Ernie Doherty. Ernie
Johnson.
Next year is he was the first. James. Ernie Johnson. No, I don't know who that is.
That's Ernie, the big man.
No, I don't really know who. That's at the back of Tony's, I think.
Coming out of the yard, like that.
Nice horse, that wasn't it? With a fresh horse.
We kept nice horses. Them had one. Who would take care of them?
We took them at us.
Would that be done a painting like?
That's a photograph, I think.
That's a photograph taken there. Some rare camera.
And you Doherty that showed it to me, yeah. They must have been around long ago. Walter Doherty.
This is Walter. That's the man who owned the pub at the time. Walter or Joe, I'm not sure which.
That's Walter Doherty's wife there, she was from Strabane.
Strabane is right there. There's some of Walters from here, sure.
What's that?
From Canada or somewhere.
That's Agnes Doherty there.
That's his sister, his. That's him and that brother. It was all died with TB.
Was that right?
Everyone, that time Phillips died with TB, sure.
Who comes now, your sister of?
That's this man's wife. And that girl there, Aggie Doherty, is this man's sister.
She was Kathleen Gormley, was her name before. This woman.
This woman, Savannah woman.
That's right.
She's living yet, I think. Her son comes there, this Michael Lenny Corey. He's a small man.
That's right.
He's the son of Walter Doherty. He died in the early 30s or early.
That's right.
Died early.
Will that photograph there be taken on the
Them was all on the go when we went to school.
Will that them photograph there with the horse and all that be in the
All taken early, I'll be out funny cameras and everything.
In the 20s and 30s, I suppose, and that horse and traffic?
I would say so. I would say so, 29 or 30. Will the daggy give you them?
That's right, you can lend one just to see.
State of it.
When I was asking about the old train, I was asking Lenny about them covers in that photograph of the old train. And she brought me down that horse with the barrels of beer or something. They come on the train and then the horse brought them down the town.
I think it was beer fun. This pub here, sure, all reduced rum and everything, Harry Dunny reduced it down himself. The rum come like a trickle in barrels.
Yes.
All reduced rum.
Yes.
And the publican reduced it down.
What?
That's come in the barrels to down Tram.
That's right.
There are all kinds of rackets going on the board bars and took stuff out of it.
Is it?
Board wee holes in the bars, we gimlets, we fine things, and took think out of bars, first getting everything. And then corked it with an extra bit of wood again down near the bottom, that would be seen. There were all kinds of hookery going on about this
Well, there were several men, was that out there?
Eh?
There used to be men who used to be drunk lying about the side of the road.
Oh,
They used to be killed with that train.
Robert George Galloway was killed. And there was another man killed at Tram station, too. A man in the name of Pollard, an Englishman, killed Robert George Galloway. He had a bicycle shop in this yard here.
Yes.
And he had a taxi car back from America. He was a big Corgus father.
Yes.
And he left Robert George Galloway down that night. And there were midnight, an early rain bus come up about 1:30 on the Saturday night. And Huey left the man at the bottom of the lane. You see, there's the Tram lines and there's the bottom of the lane.
Yes.
And after Huey turned and went back, the man staggered back and he tucked the bell back over the lines and lay there. The train muffin over, the rail bus muffin over the top of him.
Do you know any other men who was killed with it?
There was another man killed down there, I just mind his name now.
I said there were about 12 killed with it altogether.
I think he was going to be married to Andy Wald or something. Mrs. Andy Wald, he may have looked up the Chapel Road.
Aye.
She was Connaughton. Her boyfriend was killed. That's his name, I can't remember the name. That's when they were young, you know. He was killed in the Eastbound station, low station there, but without a board just about down the road.
Yes, that's right.
Right there. Oh, well. There were 2 killed on that line. The Englishman Pollard, he was up on a rail bus. He come up from Galloway was on the line, so know what's happened. Robert George Galloway.
Robert George Galloway? There's a man telling me he had a photograph of him. I must see if I can get it.
Robert George Galloway. Well, them standard men with the photos on that thing.
Somebody probably was married twice.
Robert George? He never was married. He never was married.
Or Pollard was married twice.
The Englishman. But Robert George Galloway wasn't married at all.
He was supposed to be from Yorkshire.
Yorkshire, right. They built that bus over in the yard too. He was kind of a good mechanical man.
That's right.
He built her.
I said he played the organ in the church over there too.
He did indeed.
It must have been the fixed chairs.
Wee small boy, one all night. We built the bus and all. He did. Put her on the line and dug her himself. He did.
He's a good one.
Somebody caught him in the town of the yard one day and said, you got to make bloody rubber, I'll break your neck. And he jumped back and squared up. He said, 2 could break necks, he says.
Very good. So then you're not
He never done about a box or something like that.
Oh, he made them into a
Oh, he wasn't for it. The big man that was telling him, I know he allowed 2 could break necks. No, somebody said to him that allowed him something. Big Thomas Sturdy used to be a good man about the town. That'd be Tommy's grandfather that's there now, you know, Tommy the carpenter, joiner.
Yes.
That's grandfather. Bob Porter, Wally Porter. Big John Fox fired the engine. Big John was dead. He was a young fella. Who else worked on there? Other wee Porter worked on there too. The Porter's all worked on there.
Yes. You never worked on it, no?
No.
You were always at the joinery?
No, I was out in the building for that. No, I never worked on that. There were a man from Castle Gold on the joiner for years. Sam Graham. Tell us this, do you know any barbers in Kilclean Road?
Barbers?
In Kilclean Road now? I don't.
Was there ever a putting made in that time?
Eh?
Was there any putting made then?
Plenty of putting.
We were sort of reviving that up a wee bit there.
No, Sean last Sunday was telling me his pal made a couple of Forbes, and he says it's Kilclean Road. He's not. It's the Sling Road, telling I bet you. The Sling Road.